Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this amazing and delicious chicken feet stew recipe. Guys, you need to try this, okay? So let's go. So this is my chicken feet. I have neatly washed and cleaned. You can see that. So I'm gonna season it. Please use any season of your choice. I use garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and the likes. So after marinating, I added some water to it because the chicken feet doesn't have enough juice on its own. So we stir for it to incorporate into each other, and then we allow it to cook on a low to medium heat for about 30 minutes, okay? So whilst this is cooking, we're gonna prep our remaining ingredients. And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? You can see our chicken feet is doing great here. So I have my veggies here, bell peppers, onion, ginger, garlic. So we're going to roast this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Yes, so I'm adding some black peppercorn to it, and then now that is well roasted, we are gonna blend it. And then in the same saucepan, I added the blended ingredients to the oil. So we stir and allow this to simmer for a while. Then I added my tomato puree to it. Yeah, this is the simplest and the fastest stew recipe you can make, guys. So after stirring, I added some water to it and then cover it for it to cook on a low to medium heat. Please, guys, don't burn the stew, okay? Yes, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come as a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. God bless you. So at this point, I added my seasoning. That's curry powder, paprika, some salt to taste, and my stew season. So I stir, allow it to simmer for a while. Then we add our chicken feet to it. Guys, who says chicken feet is for the brook? Do you believe in this? And what's your take on this? Kindly send me a comment below, okay? Just look at this. Very simple to make, yet taste amazingly great. And surprisingly, the chicken feet is the best part I like on the chicken. Can you imagine, guys? I know there are some people too in this same soup. Kindly let me know in the comment section, okay? So now our stew is doing great. Please, if you are new to my channel, thank you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. And thank you so much for my returning viewers. God bless you. So we just add some onions for garnishing and for more flavor. And also, I want to enjoy the crunchiness of the onion, so I will not overcook my onions, guys. Just look at this. Delicious, isn't it? Yes, so please follow this step by step and make some chicken feet stew, and you'll be glad you did. Na kono ako na nede de papa. So I'll be pairing mine with some rice with beans and some salad for lunch. You are invited. Come, guys, come, let us eat. I really enjoy this, and I know you also enjoy this. Thank you, and see ya in our next video whilst we enjoy our lunch. Bye bye.
you.